My name is Steve. I work on the HOA board for the mountainside community at Schweitzer. Schweitzer Mountain Resort is a ski area. It also has some great summer activities. There's about 75 full-time residents here in the Schweitzer area. What the HOA really does is we try and keep the roads safe and clear. In the winter, we get 24 feet of snow. We use 6 boiler huts to keep our roads clear. Those boilers were installed between 15 and 20 years ago. They didn't work very well. They were very unreliable. They were incredibly inefficient. And our biggest bill is our natural gas by far. So it's all about energy efficiency. We've worked with Avista to replace those boilers with new high-efficiency boilers. They're much more reliable and they are much cheaper to operate. So the amount of gas they use is about half what the old system uses. That saves the HOA a lot of money. We can use that money to buy more efficient boilers somewhere else, keep our dues down, and just make sure that every dollar is used really well. Avista's been a huge help. If you want to see if you can save some money and work with them on energy efficiency, I think it's a really good idea.